Bacon hair.
Shut.
That's how the clip started. He's not a good editor, so it's gonna be left in.
Yeah, pretty much. Would you stop?
I wonder what song that was.
Give me a 10
A 10 what?
millimeter.
Okay. Would you like me to use the broken ratchet that you broke?
I wouldn't love that very much. I don't think I put it back in the tool set, did I?
No, you didn't. It's off to the side. Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Wow.
Yo.
I'll make it go somewhere. And you ain't gonna like it.
Rather you not. Okay. Uh-huh. I just took that off.
It's good now. Alright, it's insured now. You're good. Just put it back together.
What are you stuck on? What are you doing? It's not the one we need to take off.
It felt right. It fit.
Yeah, yes, it will fit. But it's not the right one.
Oh, okay. So you're currently disconnecting the
Ground.
power. Yes.
Even though the battery's not hooked up, so there's still no ground going to it.
Well, if there's no power going to it, it doesn't need to be grounded.
No. So I took it off.
Mm-hmm. Stop. Every time you push this hose, the car just comes forward.
So I was doing it.
So when we were using before, it's just like,
Yeah, it could easily come.
whoom, whoom. Okay, try.
No. There's no positive going to it, so there's no source of energy.
Okay, I got you.
No. Does
Alright.
not die.
Keep touching it. Keep touching it.
Can you?
Do you say can I? Of course I can.
No, that's like an 8. I think. This one going though. The bottom's even bigger.
8.
Nope, smaller.
7.
Is that even something that... Oh, I don't need that one. I just need,
Say something.
something.
Alright, here's a 7.
I need that one off. I need... That's nothing.
Mm-mm.
I mean, maybe a 15?
A 15.
I think it is. I don't know. That's what I'm going with.
Catch.
Why'd you throw it so low? No. You got like an 18?
An 18?
I'm trying to judge it from a dark spot.
You're not very bright.
No? That's bigger than an 18.
20?
Give me a 20. Did I have a 19?
Yeah.
I have a 19. I'll get there at some point.
You haven't gone anywhere.
I said at some point. Gotta work. Told you I'll get there. I got this.
Hey, can you not push like a little girl?
Yeah. Just give me a minute.
So you're pushing like a little girl for now? Hey, you should probably not do it like that because you're going to twist it.
I don't have any.
You need another hand down there
No,
to
put your
hold
hand
it
up
straight.
here. Pull this top in.
Alright.
Hey, can you actually pull it?
Limited on room.
Any day now.
It's looking good.
All right.
I wish they could put this lock on my house.
Let's try the front one. Nope. One down here.
Dude, that still felt nice.
All right, I've got this in. No. You want to grab the bottom end and I'll get this one? Guys, I have no clue what he's making. Is it spinning or are you twisting the head? You rounding it off? Please don't round it off. This thing probably hasn't been off since 1999. Or maybe it has and someone just said, alright, let's say forget them and put Loctite on.
I finished.
Good, we got one more.
You like that?
We got one more.
I don't think I can handle another one. I think everything out of me. I need a while to recover. I like how perfectly this cable is in my way.
You could move it, you know. Let's have to take the back off. Hold on, I got you. Maybe I don't. What? Alright. We'll just leave it then. Just, yeah.
Just because it's connected to this
I know.
linkage.
Hey, you might want to leave that one in just a little ways so we can get this Now let's try this side again.
Yeah, you try that side.
Alright, let me get back on the boat.
I hate how easy that was.
I don't know why it was that easy. Oh, is that one spinning over there? Does this go all the way through?
Yeah, it's spinning.
Ah.
You need to hold.
That's why. We didn't have a 19. That's why it was easy. How did I bust my knuckle already? great.
Huh?
Big set goes from No, there it is. I got it. Just, get in here.
Tell me when you got it.
Okay.
How did you bust your knuckles already?
I don't know. I guess it's when I came back down and I hit the skull line clamp.
This feels really good. Alright. Alright, I got the washers.
It's great because I can pull the bolt out. Oh, I'm about to lose my ring. That would be one dead man.
Give it a twist.
Well, if he gave me this one, I have one over here.
Yeah, but you weren't using the other one.
It's true. Is it backing out? No.
Actually, it feels like it is. Yeah, keep going. I can feel it backing out.
Ooh, that's warm. It's in the... Shut up! I'm old.
I wish your truck breathed like that. Maybe that's what's wrong with it. You took all the breath out of it. There's no oxygen left for the motor. Can't get no flame if there ain't no oxygen.
What? Oh, yeah.
Do you not know
Yes,
how
I know how it
fireworks?
works. Shut up.
I thought you were just talking about how old you were and you don't know how fire works. You're probably there when
Okay,
they
man.
invented it.
How'd you know?
Yeah, I could tell by his face.
A long boat. Of course, there's one more wire that I did not see because it was under everything.
Yeah.
And that's I don't think that's 10. I think that's smaller than 10. No, it's definitely smaller than 10. Can I have an 8? No? Okay. Nope, I need it.
Didn't I previously give you it? Oh, you said you didn't need it.
Yes, I didn't need it. Took it back. See if she fits.
You scored.
Okay. What year does it say it was? What does that plate say? Here, where's the Kirkland? Here's a glass one.
Made in Japan.
At least this glass one smells good.
Does not say the year. It's a Hitachi though.
You just want to spray it everywhere and see what happens?
Just clean it off.
Yeah.
Sure, do it on a golf cart. Really? I hate you. I need to get smaller shirts.
Guys, please like and subscribe so we can get this guy smaller shirts.
I used to be fat,
And then went through a transformation.
and now all my shirts are dresses.
Yes.
Not that type of transformation. We're talking about a weight transformation. I just want to make that clear. I still have a penis.
I don't think we can use that on YouTube, buddy.
I still have a dingle.
I gotta figure out how to cut that out now. At least she's shiny and black and
Can't be. Okay.
it's a black starter.
With shit stains. I mean, poopy stains.
I'm just gonna stop this.